Welcome to Bird Stills with Abbas. But time is not just for ducklings. It's also important for their growth. Swimming helps them build strong muscles and the water keeps their feathers soft and shiny. These baby ducks are learning how to float and move around just like grown-up ducks, so cute and smart, having the best time of the day. Bathing keeps them clean and healthy, and you can see how much they love it. Aren't they just the cutest? Right now, these baby ducklings are enjoying their bottom with the help. They are too small to do it on their own, but this is a good for them. It keeps them healthy and strong. Water makes their feathers soft and help them learn to swim. Soon they will grow up and take baths without any help. They will splash, play, and have so much fun in the water. But for now, I love giving them this special care and watching them enjoy their first time. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel. We will come again in the next video.